First, go to the web URL that will be provided. Then you will see the login page for SIMuser. Next, fill in your username and password. If you forget your password, click the button to reset it. You can also click Register here to create a new user. Now, click the Login button, and you will be redirected to the siberSIM platform. At the top left of the screen, you will find your Profile button and Sign Out button. If you click on your Profile button, it will show your details. If you would like to change your password, this is where you can create a new one. This button is for notifications. And this button allows you to switch between normal mode and dark mode. On the left side, there is the menu section. The siberSIM logo serves as the home button. The first menu is Dashboard, the second is Scenario, and the last section is FAQs. On the dashboard page, you will see information about your current status. In the middle, it will show the current or last running scenario. This section shows the percentage of completed scenarios, this one shows the quiz error rate, and this one displays the total number of completed scenarios. Next, let's move to the Scenario section. At the top, you can see the Home button, Zoom Out, Zoom In, and options to change between List View or Grid View. You can also use the search bar to find your preferred scenario. Now, let's look at the scenario library. For example, go into the Cybersecurity Scenarios section and choose one category. You will see that we have multiple levels of scenarios: easy, medium, and hard. Next, let's see how to start a scenario. For example, select this scenario. Here you can see the basic information about it. This is the scenario category, the subcategory, the total suggested time to complete it, the difficulty level, the total number of VMs used, the total number of virtual CPUs, the memory usage, and the storage used. Below that, you can find the scenario synopsis. Next, you can see the instruction details provided here. This section contains the step-by-step guide for the scenario. All steps are listed from A to Z. You can choose to view it online or download the file. Then, go to the scenario diagram. These are the components inside the scenario. For example, Kali Linux, a LAN switch, and a Windows component as the target user. Beside it, you can see the quiz section. This is a sample quiz for users to answer. It helps assess the user's understanding after completing the scenario. You can also view the logs here to check the activity logs for this scenario. Once all information is reviewed, click Start Scenario. It will show the progress of VM cloning and duplication. Once everything is ready, the scenario will start, and all components will be shown as online. Now click on a component, and it will redirect you to a new page for that component. For example, click on Kali Linux. Fill in the login credentials. And click Login. Now you are inside the Kali Linux environment. Next, open another component. For example, the Windows component. It will open in a browser-based window. Enter the password. And now you are inside Windows. Once you have finished running the scenario and want to complete it, click the Complete button. Please note that one user can only run one scenario at a time. If you wish to start another scenario, you must terminate the current one first. That's all for this walkthrough of the siberSIM platform. We hope this guide helps you understand how to navigate, start, and complete your scenarios effectively. Thank you for watching, and welcome to siberSIM, where learning meets real-world cyber experience.